Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. It's me and my gnome friend out here. Just quick little project. My neighbor brought this over, asked me if I could fix it for him. There is supposed to be these spikes down on the bottom that you put it into the ground with and it stands up, and obviously it is broken off of there. So we're just gonna go through and we're just gonna clean up where they had it welded, and we're gonna weld it back together. At the very least, weld it back together. I may see if there's something that we can add to it to make it a little stronger, but I don't know that we're gonna go that far. I think we'll just probably weld it back together and go from there. So we're gonna start with, I'm just gonna clean up where it was welded before. I'd already started cleaning this up a little bit before I decided that I was going to video it. Yeah, let me get the welder over here, and we'll weld this guy back up. So, got the welder over here, put the gas on. Let's see what we got going on here. I think we will start with, let's weld this foot back on over here. Like this thing was, I would say, it was probably welded together prior to it being all assembled. So we'll get one started and then try and move everything back into place. Let it cool off for a minute, and then we'll be back, and we'll just a couple spots that I want to clean up, make sure that there's no wire hanging or I see a sharp spot. I don't want anybody to hurt themselves, so we'll be back. We'll clean those up. We'll see if maybe we can take a a scuff pad and get some of these welding scuff marks off of it, and then we'll hit all this bare metal with a little white paint, and we'll call it a day. Alright, I'm just going to clean up a couple spots. I got the wire wheel over here. We'll wire wheel everything. Alright, good enough. Just an old garden gnome. Alright, well, quick little project. I enjoy doing just, you know, little projects like that for the neighbors and whatnot. So I think they'll be happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. I'm out.
Oh.